I hate to break it to you, but you shouldn't upload your videos on your website server. Also, uploading to YouTube and then embedding it to your website gives you that nasty YouTube video player. So in today's video, I'll show you a tool that will help us in this situation with an affordable one-time purchase. Hey, Shivam here. You can check out the discount link in the description below. Let's talk about the situation first. So we have a website. It could be a portfolio website, a real estate website, a media agency website, or an e-learning website. So there will be a place where we need to embed a video, showcase our video. But if we upload that directly to our website server, it's going to make both our website and video slow. Because when a user will stream a video, it will take the resources of our hosting provider, also making our website slow. And if we go with the second option, if we upload it to YouTube and then embed it to our website, it gives us this nasty YouTube video player that also suggests other videos and your viewers might just skip to the another video. So definitely we don't want that. So the best practice is to upload your videos to a different server than the website itself. This will give us two servers working simultaneously and making our website fast. That means when viewers are streaming the video, it won't take the resources from our website server. And the video will load faster because this service also has CDN. That means the viewer will stream your video from the nearest server. So the tool that we are talking about is Gumlet. There are more features as we tread forward in this video, but for now let's talk about the pricing so we can evaluate better. So there are 6 tiers that you can choose from, and yes, it's on the appsumo, and you know what that means. You get all these plans as a lifetime access. Now as of the Black Friday sale, the plan starts at just $59, which is extremely affordable, and the highest tier, that is mostly for enterprise, goes up to $699. There's about 14 to 17% discount because of the Black Friday, but still, even after the sale, the pricing still makes sense. As you can see on the screen, the main differences in the plan is mostly about total minutes of video storage. As you can see on the screen, it's 1200, 3600, and so on. You will see the difference in streaming bandwidth per month. The basic plan is about 500 GB per month. Then you have the users. You get 1 user in the basic plan, and just you get the video collections or channels, that is 2 on the basic plan. As for the video resolution, even the basic plan has a full HD support, which is great. And if you go with the tier 4, you will get the 4K video. Rest, you get a lot of features even in the basic plan, as you can see. Now let's see the features and talk about the features along the way. So this is what the video dashboard looks like. As you can see, we can upload videos right here. This is the section. You can just drag and drop the video here, or you have the options to import it from Dropbox, OneDrive, Link, Google Drive, Vimeo, Amazon S3 and Vistia. So we have all these options, which is great. Once the video is uploaded, in fact, let's just upload a video. We just have to click it here and we can just drag and drop or just select a file. So this is being uploaded, as you can see on the bottom. The upload speed is also good. So once the video is uploaded, it will look like this. We can just change the title right here. We can add the description, like this is a test description. It goes straight here. Now we can just set the privacy. We can set it to private, unlisted, password protected, or public. Then you have tags, just like YouTube. You can just add a tag, and you can even add to a playlist. Then you can just save changes. That's easy peasy. Rest, you will see a lot of settings here. You can just upload thumbnails. It also gives you the option for auto-generated thumbnails from the video, or you can just upload manually. Then you have form. You can just add a form if you want to. Then you have subtitles. See, it auto-generated the subtitles, which is another plus. Now you have audio tracks. You can upload multiple audio tracks right here. See, you can just upload multiple tracks, which is another awesome feature about this platform. Then you have chapters. You can add chapters like intro, your sections, different sections, so your viewers can see. Now you have call to action, that is also helpful. And then you have comments. So after you are done, you just have to click on the embed and share. And while you do that, you have all these options. You can just enable these features if you want to. You can just loop a video. You have fixed resolution and all these settings. So once you are happy with that, you can just choose however you want to share that video. You have embed, email, or URL. Let's just click on the copy embed code, and we have just copied the code. See, here's the code. Or you can just use the URL, just share it like that. Isn't that awesome? Now if you're liking it so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like that. Now let's move on to the importing videos. You can see we can import videos. We have talked about it earlier. And then you have playlists. So we can create multiple playlists straight here. You can just add a playlist here, and then you can add the videos here. So that's pretty basic. And then you have player setting. You can customize your player how you want it to look. As you can see, it's a simple player right now. You can just customize it however you want according to your website preference, your website aesthetics. You have all these options to play with. As you can see, you have autoplay video. If you want to turn it on, it will autoplay the video. You have the enable sound option here. You have loop video option, enable download button. You can show title and it will just preview all your changes. And then you have advanced settings and you can just fiddle around with this. You also have the player color. If you want to change, you want to match it with your website, then you can do so. So we have a red color, which looks awesome. Now let's move on. Now if you want to have an independent channel, just like a YouTube, but not on YouTube like a self-hosted channel, then you also have that feature right here. It's a channel. You can just enable this and then you can just have a standalone channel where you can just publish videos, make playlists, comments, live stream, that we will talk about in a minute. And you have all these options to customize the channel. You can add the channel logo, you have title, you have description, you have the playlist and so on. You will also see your subscribers. So that's there. Now moving on to the security, you have some settings here that you can change according to your preference. You have your video privacy settings, default privacy settings. Then you have blocked countries. If you want to block any country, you can do so. Then you have signed URL and you have that whitelist reference. Now let's move on to processing. You can just set how you want the videos to be processed. And also there is a security feature right here. If you are on the upgraded plan, on the business plan, you can just enable DRM so your content is protected. So that's there. Along with your enable MP4 access, your other output options, you have advanced settings right here. You can just select which codec you want to use, which resolutions you want to use, and so on. So that's definitely there that you can just check and tweak according to your preference. Now moving on to the monitoring, you can just add reports. You can just set it, new reports. It will schedule your reports. So that's also there for monitoring. And lastly, you have the usage analytics to keep track of your usage on the plan. So that's there, but if we click here and go back to the main menu, you will see we have more options. Here's the live stream that we were talking about. You can simply host your live streams straight on this platform and then you can just directly embed that to your website. You can definitely give it a try. That's another plus with this platform. And lastly, you get analytics where you can just see all your stats. While we are here, I would like to highlight that Gumlet also offers service for images, not just for videos. So you can optimize your videos for faster website loading. So just like videos, it will optimize your images and load faster, providing you CDN and freeing up resources on your server. To do so, you can just click on add source and you can just select the service you are using and then just click continue, and it will make your website even faster by optimizing and loading images from the nearest server of your visitor. So that's another bonus with this platform. However, there is also a bandwidth attached to it, just like the video. So make sure you choose your plan accordingly. And now for integration and developers, there's this option. You can just integrate that with Zapier, which makes it limitless. Now there's also APIs and webhook, which makes it really customizable and you can just integrate it with anything. And that was all about Gumlet. Hope you found this platform helpful. Now you can definitely check it out from the link in the description, and make sure you do that timely because there's a Black Friday sale on the appsumo. So you can check out the link in the description. However, what are your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comments below. The best part with appsumo is that they also offer 60 days of money back guarantee. So there is no harm in trying. Now you will also find these videos helpful. Make sure you check it out. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.